a loose gorilla tripod. See how it's all like loose? And yeah, so all you'll need is just a piece of like tissue or like toilet paper or paper. I don't know about paper, but tissue works the best. So what you want to do is you want to take out whichever like socket thing is the one that's loose. You take a little piece of tissue and just like roll it up into a ball, and then you just like stuff it into the socket that's loose, and you just put it back on. See, that's like a little bit too much. And that's how you fix it. So I hope this helps you guys. Try not to put a lot. So yeah, hope it helped you. I know it did me, and yeah. Yeah, the little like ring thing came off, but it works. So I hope this helped you guys, and it came off. Yeah, I hope it helped you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and bye. Oh yeah, and the reason why it's coming off because it's not like holding it well, but I'm sure yours will hold it well. Yeah, so hope you guys. Bye.